Diva Forward of the Day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's word is collaboration. Spelling COLLABORATION, meaning act of making or producing something together. Sentence: the new airport is in collaboration between two of the best company in the country. Thank you and have a nice day.
It is a good habit to update ourselves with present happening. This actually increases our knowledge. For today's current news happening, I would like to call Samar.
Morning everyone. Today's news headlines are national news. PM Modi warns against deepfakes, calls on media to educate people on misinformation. International news. Fire at a coal mining company buildings in northern China kills 26 and injures dozens. Sports news. ICC announces name of officials who will officiate World Cup final between India and Australia. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to invite my friends to sing a song on cooperation.
So that you're standing there, we both have things to share. Let's put our hearts together. Everything you and anything, just take my hand and see what good friends we can be. I learn from you, you learn from me. I wanna help you, let's cooperate. If we work together, we can operate. We are so much stronger when we share our strengths. You know it's not too late to cooperate. Oh, cooperation. Cooperation. We'd like to pass some peace, a place for you and me. We find it together perfectly. And now I wanna help you, let's cooperate. If we work together, we are so much stronger and we share our strength. You know it's not too late to cooperate. Oh, cooperation. Oh, cooperation. Oh, cooperation. Oh, cooperation.